working on a 01 4.3. Like a battery was dead, but they tried to jump it yesterday with AAA, and the starter spun but didn't engage. So tried to smack it a few times, didn't work. So the starter's bad. We'll get our new one, a couple $100 at Kragen. So it's a V6. And I don't know how bad or good it is gonna be. I got her jacked up. Wow, pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. A couple bolts and the wiring. So we'll drop the 2 bolts and just let her hang this way until we get to at the wire. And once I get it out, I'll show you what she looks like. Alright. I've been under this car for over an hour trying every combination to get this thing out, which looked like I had to lift up the motor. I mean, I put it upside down, inside out, all different which ways. You can tell by all the crap that fell out of the motor. I've been under here for an hour, and this thing, I mean, I needed a 1/2 inch clearance. I have no idea how this thing came out. I don't know. I'd call that a nightmare job. But yeah, so she's out, and somehow I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that one in. I did break a wire. I'll have to repair that wire, but that's the least of it. Anyway, she's out. She's toast. We'll go get a new one, and hopefully don't have to fight it so much to get back in, because there's only one combination. And basically, you put the starter solenoid against the frame. You put one of the ears where you bolt down into the where the starter nose would go into the transmission. You square the other side up with this control arm frame part. I didn't realize this thing was a 4-wheel drive. That's probably part of the nightmare, because you have all these torsion bars and everything else in your way. And it was like 60% out, and then I just pushed real hard and kind of forced it, I guess. But I mean, I don't bend metal, so it was a nightmare. And off to Kragen we go. Alright, we got the starter in opposite of the way that it came out. It came out with the motor in first, with the solenoid towards the block, towards the frame. And then this way it went in like how it normally sits, with the motor first, and then the cone towards the transmission or bell housing. I couldn't tell you how it got in, but it got in, repaired the wire that needed to be done, hooked back up the battery, and no big sparks, so it should be good to go. Yeah, charge up the battery for like a day. Well, it started. I don't know how good it runs. That's it. 01 Nightmare 4x4 V6 4.3.